Are you a builder, a decorator, an architect, and you're looking even for a very specific, very special tile that no one else has? Don't worry. Stay for a bit, and I'll tell you a story about the last project we did in the Ibiza area, in Mallorca, in this case, with a construction company. The builder called us and said, "Hey, Ricardo, I need a blue handkerchief tile." I immediately thought of our friends at Vives. "Hey, perfect, train V. It's the tile you're looking for." "No, but Ricardo, we need it. The architect wants it glossy." Wow, then there's the types of tiles which are not truly made in gloss. In fact, I don't know any manufacturer that makes this kind of glossy tiles. Maybe some of you do know one, but neither the builder, nor the architect, nor the decorator, nor we knew any. I said, well, let's see what we can do. As you know, because I've already explained it in some video, we can make whatever design you want, both in hydraulic tile and porcelain tile. In this case, it will be a design for a yoga center with the center's logo, which is a split and inverted heart. All right. So we can make the tile which we already had. But in gloss, that was our doubt. We talked to the factory and they said, hey, no problem. Okay, so in these cases, how do we proceed? In this case, we wanted 2 shades of blue. Well, initially it was just 1 shade of blue. But then when they liked it, I'm getting a bit ahead of myself, they chose another shade of blue. In this instance, what they proposed was a Pantone range. Because with ceramics, we can get the exact Pantone. So they said, hey, we like these Pantone ranges. What did we do? We did a couple of tests in the factory, made some samples, and sent them to the architects. They chose the color, liked it a lot, and said, hey, why don't you get us another lighter color for another area? Because we loved it. So we did another color test with 3 or 4 lighter blues and sent them the samples. Those samples along with the total blue, which is the same blue. So the architects gave us the okay, made a sign, it was manufactured and sent. You've seen that with just an idea, we can accomplish an entire project. In fact, this will go to an entire pool and all the patios. So any idea you have in mind, as long as it's interesting, whether it's 100 meters, 70 meters, 80 meters, that makes it worthwhile for you, price-wise, and for us to manufacture. Well, we can do it because we have a factory that it's always important in the 22x22 format. In the end, this is a printer that prints, then it goes to the oven, and that's it. Normally, what we do is guarantee the number of meters because we always make a bit more in case some get chipped or broken. So that extra amount, well, you also have to take that. But we guarantee that if you order 80 meters, you'll get those 80 meters. I think this is a good way to cover any design you can think of within reason, and that can be done. Just send it to us, we'll study it, and if we see it's feasible, we'll manufacture it.